When the US government shuts down, it's like pressing pause on a lot of federal activities, except for the really essential stuff, like Social Security payments and air traffic control. But how does this happen? Here's the deal. Each year, Congress must pass 12 appropriations bills to fund federal agencies. These need to be signed by the President by September 30th. If they don't agree in time, we get a government shutdown. Agencies scramble to create shutdown plans, deciding which activities must stop until funding is restored. Here's what might be affected. National parks? Closed. Say goodbye to that camping trip. Food and environmental inspections? Delayed. Better double-check those labels. Air travel? Stressful enough already, but expect fewer TSA agents and air traffic controllers. Need a new Social Security card? Not during a shutdown. And if you're waiting on a tax refund? Get comfortable, it could take a while. Federal employees deemed non-essential go on unpaid leave, but eventually get back pay. Federal contractors, though? Historically, no such luck. And it's not just an inconvenience. Shutdowns cost the economy billions due to lost productivity, delayed services, and planning disruptions. How do we avoid this? Congress can pass all 12 bills on time, or more likely pass a continuing resolution or CR to keep funding going temporarily. But CRs have their own downsides, like freezing funding at outdated levels and making it hard for agencies to plan. Since 1981, there have been 10 short shutdowns and 4 that seriously disrupted government operations. Shutdowns are a unique feature of our political system, proof that when Congress can't agree, the country feels it.